In this video, you'll learn 10 Snapchat tips, no, 7. Yeah, I mean 7. 7 Snapchat hacks that will upgrade your life. You'll leave your parents' house and start a... In this video, you'll learn 10 Snapchat 7 Snapchat hacks. In this video, you'll learn 7 Snapchat tips and hacks on how... In this video, you'll learn 7 Snapchat tips and hacks that will upgrade your life. You'll leave your parents' house and start a new life with the power of 2 colliding universes in your hand. Just kidding, but with the last part, that might happen. Yo, what's up guys, it's Kevin Tyler. I do tech videos every week, so if you're into that, make sure to subscribe to this channel. The first tip is to save data when you don't really have much data access on your phone because you're broke and your life left you. This feature changes Snapchat to not lose stories automatically and save your precious internet plan. But if you're just a regular guy like me who doesn't lose much time on the app, you can just leave it like this because I usually use 2 gigs of data in Snapchat. The second one is not really a technical one, but if you have a friend and you still don't really virtually hang out that much, just reply to a story that she posted that can save you in the future when the so-called friends become infected by a Walking Dead virus and want to kill you. I said virus and kill you. The third one is called Groupie Snappy. If you have a group of besties and you want them to be updated more intimately with you, just pick them and add them into a list. That way you just send them a single message and they all will be updated. The fourth one is more of a private thing. He is often used by your friends or worse, your family, and you don't want them to see your nudies. Just lock the ones you want to hide and you're good to go. And no, don't thank me for that. I mean, you actually can. Just press that subscribe button and like this video. The fifth one is when you're the type of person who is a little bit hard to look at, and whatever you do, you never find any filters that can hide that mess. You know what you can do? No, I'm not talking about plastic surgery. I was talking about just adding more lenses. The way to find the more lenses is to press that button and yeah. The sixth one is more about colors. You want more shades between your colors to paint that wall of yours with more 50 shades of grays thingy. Just drag that little blob to the left and you're good to go. The last one, the seventh, oh, hold on. I want this to be a little bit emotional, so. Okay, go. Play Herbalife on YouTube. Here we go. The last one, the seventh, is how to have a life and enjoy it. Just go to your app settings, go to Snapchat and press the uninstall button. If you're a social media manager and you do that for a living, in that case, I will be okay with you. But for all of you who aren't, please learn to put down your phone to set it and be in the moment. Have you subscribed to this channel yet? This is the moment to do it right now. Just press that stupid face and you'll be good to go.